Old boats are cool. What's even cooler is boats that look like cars. Check out this 1956 Century Arabian. So I'm here at the Lake Tahoe Concours d'Elegance, and I saw this beautiful 1956 Century Arabian. I'd never seen one of these in person before, and I just was really struck by this thing. It's just absolutely gorgeous. The restoration is fantastic. It's painted in this beautiful bimini blue with platinum two-tone. It's 18 feet long. This 1956 model features a steering wheel off a Lincoln Continental. Look at that right from the factory. I just love all the detail work in this thing. When you look at it, it's just so cool. All that aluminum trim just wraps around. Big wraparound windshield. You can see the automotive influence in its design. There's a little hood scoop there. Hiding under there is a Cadillac 365 2.4 barrel Cadillac Crusader V8 engine. How cool is that? I dig the fact that this thing is powered by a Cadillac. And I love the two-tone paint job on this thing. It's so unusual the way it wraps around. It's got the deck work. It's just beautiful. It is a wooden boat. It's painted, and they went through great lengths, according to the owner, to ensure that the color was correct on this boat and it was painted correctly. Just a beautiful restoration. I just love this thing. They only made 46 of these for 1956. They were introduced in 1954. I guess the first year for production was 55. Very, very rare boat. There's only a handful in existence, just a few registered with the Antique Classic Boat Association. They found this boat in 2009, hiding up in the attic of Sierra Boat Company on Lake Tahoe, and rescued it and just did this fantastic restoration. These boats were rather expensive when they're new. $4,560 was the original MSRP for one of these boats. But and they haul all the way down from Idaho just for the show. But I just love it. Look at this thing. Just beautiful. Those scoops on the side, all the chrome work, and the deluxe two-tone of this thing is just spectacular. I love boats. I love boats that have an automotive look to them. And this really, really fits it. I just want to go out and take a cruise. Just lovely. Beautiful boat. So rare to see. I just had to share this boat with you. I know we do cars. It's in the garage with Steve Natale, but today we're in the marina, drooling over boats that look like cars. So how's that for you? Hope you like it. So until next time, catch you in the garage. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.